morning, England. Yeah, this is Archieford Reuben speaking. Reuben Archieford. You kept your letters and put that in the blankets. I'm looking for a white chick. Stay with. What can I say?
A white chick.
A white chick.
With a lot of money. A white chick with money.
I want a white chick with a lot of money. I stay in Zimbabwe. Mbare. I want to give you my number. Someone, phone number, Mangurenje, Wedzera. 0772 my phone number is 0772 409 207 207 0772 409 207. You can contact me on that number. Thank you. Yeah. You're contact madman.
Oh, they can contact me.
Yeah, they can contact you.
And I can give them your number.
My number.
But you need a white chick.
I need a white chick.
With a lot of money.
What
about accommodation when she comes in?
Accommodation is there, so. Accommodation in 12 Hill Avenue. Hill Avenue. 12 Hill Avenue. Hill. I'm a landlord. Thank you.
Thank you.